Hi you guys, today I'm gonna do a eyeshadow look. I have bought a new eyeshadow palette and I want to try it a bit out. So I'm gonna show you the palette. It looks like this. And then the colors, they look like this. Just like this, you see. And the makeup look I want to try today is gonna be this. And I also bought a few brushes. They look like this. This one like this, all in black. Let's take them all out. You see, it look like this, those, and then the red ones. And the hair is very fluffy, if I can say it like that. You see, the ones look like this. So I'm gonna try a look today with this colors. I'm just gonna take out my hair out of my face, and then I'm gonna switch on the light. This ring light is also very nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna get my trusty mirror. And then we're gonna start. I'm gonna prime my eyelids first, but I'm gonna use Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the color number 5. I'm not sure what the color name is, but it's number 5. And then I'm just gonna prime. I'm gonna put I don't have an eyeshadow primer, so I'm gonna use this one. Then I'm just gonna put it all over. Like this. It looks like this. And then I'm just gonna blend it all over the eyes, just like this, so that the eyeshadow can stick. Use Essence All About Matte, and I'm just gonna take this brush on, and then I'm just gonna put it all over the eyes just to set down the primer. All right. So now I've set down the concealer. I feel like a green yellowish eye look today. So I'm gonna start with this color. That one, this one, all over my eyes. And I'm gonna use this brush. There's not a lot of shimmering shades, but yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. I think I'm gonna use this one. Then I'm gonna go in with the color. We're gonna take this one, this green one first, and I'm just gonna put it in the crease. I'm gonna start here in the corner, and then I'm just pressing it down. You see, and the colors is very pigmented, and it's a nice palette I have. Let's do the other side. I'm usually struggling with this side, so bear with me. And okay, so now it looks like this. I did blend. I'm not gonna worry too much about the blending. Okay. Then this color, that one, and I'm gonna put it next to the green one, and I'm also gonna use this brush again, and then I'm just gonna put it there, just underneath. See, and it does give a bit of that greenish lemon. Blend there. All right, then I'm going to take the yellow, and I'm going to put the yellow here. But to do that, I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm gonna take the yellow. You see the yellow look like this, and then I'm gonna use my setting spray on it. It's not a shimmer shade, it's a matte shade, but I just want to try something. And then I'm gonna spritz it on, and then we're gonna try it now. Let's see if, and then I'm gonna put it there. Ooh. See, it look like that, and I think it look nice. Okay, and let's take a bit more. And I'm just gonna clean the brush. All right. Experimenting, I think for underneath my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the green. Where's that brush? Put it here in the underneath my eye. Okay. It doesn't want to look like lime green when you put it on. You see? And then I'm just blending it in. Alright. And then, to be a bit fun, I'm going to use this orange color. This one. That one. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to put it here in the middle. But I think I'm going to also spray the brush. And then we will see what that gives me. Okay, you see it look like that, and then we just brush it down here. And then there. Just here in the inner corner. Just on the line, and then I'm just blending it into the green. I think that looks nice. Then I'm gonna just make it wet again, and then take a bit, and then we do this on this side as well. And then I'm just gonna blend it in also into the green. I'm gonna take my Essence eyeliner. I just want to get it together. Essence Meta Glow eyeliner. It's a little bit of a coloring eyeliner, and then I'm gonna put it in my wall. I think that's nice. And then for mascara, I'm gonna use mascara in black. And that is my eyeshadow look for today. It's a nice greenish, yellowish makeup look. And I think for my brown eyes, it does bring my brown eyes out a bit. But you can see, when you make it a bit wet, it is very beautiful when you put it on, as you can see. And this is a palette that I bought from a place here in South Africa, and the colors of it is also very nice. And I'm gonna play more with this, and I'm gonna try to do more nice kind of eyeshadow colors. And if you have a yellow or green eyeshadow palette in your stash, then I think you can try to do this as well. And I think it's, how can I say, you can wear it in the day if you like, but for people with brown eyes, I think this will work very nicely. Thank you for watching, and if you like, please subscribe to my channel and give my video a like. Bye.